Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria split screen on PC. Unlike many games, Terraria on PC does not natively support local split screen multiplayer, requiring a third-party solution. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to set up and enjoy local co-op with your friends. We will cover everything from selecting the right tool to launching your first shared world, ensuring a smooth experience for everyone involved. To begin, you will need a reliable third-party tool. Nucleus Co-op is a popular and effective open-source application designed specifically for this purpose. You can find the latest stable release on its dedicated project page or through reputable gaming communities. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to get the application set up on your computer, usually taking less than 1 minute. With Nucleus Co-op installed, launch the application and locate Terraria in your game library. If it is not automatically detected, you will need to manually add the game's executable file. Next, configure the number of players you wish to include in your split-screen session, commonly 2 to 4. Crucially, assign a unique input method, such as a separate gamepad or keyboard and mouse combination, to each player slot. After all configurations are complete, simply click the play button within Nucleus Co-op. This action will launch multiple instances of Terraria, each appearing in its own window, ready for your friends to join. You can then create a new world or load an existing one, inviting your co-op partners to embark on an adventure together. Enjoy countless hours of shared exploration, building, and boss battles in your split-screen Terraria world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.